Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Happy Mail Time. What? What? Happy Mail. Yeah, baby. Happy Mail. Probably Christmas cards. I hope. I'm so excited. AR, literally, probably the last Christmas card I got was from you. And I loved it, by the way. Okay, what should I start with? I'm going to save the big one for last. I have 3 cards. Make sure I'm not exposing addresses. One is from Dublin, Virginia. One is from Neptune, New Jersey. And one is from Glen Rose, Texas. You have to say Texas like that, right? Ooh, okay, I'm gonna start. Let's start smallest to biggest. That's fair. Nice handwriting, by the way. Everybody, beautiful font. Let me just give you guys a little glimpse. And you see that font? Beautiful. Very nicely printed. Okay. First one is from Neptune, New Jersey. I brought some little scissors to help me. Ooh, opening. Oh, it's a Santa. Oh, he's a jolly Santa. Look at that. I like that one. To Krista and family, wishing you peace, love, and joy this holiday season from Eileen Clayman. Oh, thank you, Eileen. One of your favorite viewers. Well, yes, you are. Keeping that. I'm going to put it out next Christmas. Put it right there for now. Next one is from Friendly Crochet Creations. Yes, that is a YouTube channel. Yes, go check it out. Subscribe and share the love. Let me open this one up. So nice to get mail. I've had that mailbox for like a decade. It's empty. It's always empty. Oh, I better put my envelopes back in there. There we go. Oh, 'tis the season to be jolly. That's nice. Oh, look. Krista, may the season bring you the music of laughter, the warmth of friendship, and a heart full of love. Happy holidays to you and yours, Melissa from Friendly Crochet Creations. Thank you, Melissa. And look, she made me a little gingerbread man. Isn't that adorable? With a little apron on. That is so cute. I love the apron. It's like a little fan, but out of like thread, actual thread. That is adorable. Really cute, Melissa. Thank you. Oh, I'm putting him right over there. Now this one is from Virginia. Pulaski, Virginia. Is that a city? I'm really bad. Which you know, that's okay. Now let me open. My scissors are not helping as much as you think they would be. Oh, that's a cute one too. Look. Like a cinnamon stick tree with buttons. That's adorable. And some bark and some ribbons. That's adorable. Oh, I love it. I have something to read. And wait, I'm going to try to separate them. Some stitch markers, a little barefoot one, and a peace sign. I love them. Let me just give it a quick read. First start, in case she noticed that my P.O. box is 1959. Yes, it is. That was a fluke. I did that they assigned that to me. They went up to 1,000. So they only had 1,000 mailboxes at Village Market, the place near my house, or the shopping center near my home. Then they expanded and got more. So when they got more mailboxes, I ran in to get one. Thank goodness I did, because now it's actually really expensive to get a mailbox here. It's I shouldn't say it, I don't know. To me, it's expensive. I pay for mine, I don't know, it's maybe like $30 a year or something, $25 a year. It's not much. And if you want to get a new one now, it's like $100 or something. So I could go and reclaim my old mailbox and pay for all the years that I skip cheaper than I can get a new mailbox. And who doesn't want 1959? I mean, 1964, there's other good numbers, but only 10 or 11, so nailing the P.O. box. Thank you. And she sounded out her last name, thank you. I so appreciate it. It just means that you know me. And I love that. So Carla Bavoset, because she said, let me see if I can show you. See, she sounded it out for me. Ba like a sheep, Voset. Thank you. Yes, please do send your name written to me like that. I appreciate it a lot. Ba, she says, sheep sound. Ba, Voset, Bavoset. Love it. Thank you so much. It means the world that through this crazy thing called YouTube and crochet that I have so many really, really, really great real life human friends out there. When I started, I don't know if you've ever gone back, please don't, to even my first tutorials, my voice is cracking and I'm so nervous, and in my head I'm only doing it for my crochet students who I know in real life. And I was just so nervous even that they were here. I don't know. It's just so crazy putting yourself on YouTube. It is absolute, it's a loop. It's crazy in the head. But I am so glad that life pushed me in this direction and that it grew into what it is today with all of you out there. It means the world to me. So thank you so much for taking the time to drop me a line and send me something. Honestly, you don't even have to send me anything. It just means the world to me that you took the time to put pen to paper. Even I feel bad. Even when I send things out, I'm always sealing them shut, being oh, I should have put a note in. I didn't. And I feel just terrible about it. But it's always right at the last second that I remember. And it's so nice that other people take the time to do it. So thank you so much. Who knows who this is? It has to be from you, right? She did not put her name on it, because she's cool like that. She's gangsta. Ooh. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this glue is nuts. Look at that glue. Okay, scissors. I guess I got them for a reason. Much better on the plastic than it was on the paper. Ooh! Still no name on the return address, just mentioning it. Oh, and I love that little, it's like those candies, what are they called? Little peppermint candies? Have you seen on, I don't know where it is, Pinterest or something, but you put these on the cookie sheet, not these, but the candy ones, and they melt into wafery ones, and then like candy cane brittle. Has anybody done it? I haven't, but I'd like to. Okay, now I'm opening it. She has taped this thing. I'm finding a spot, don't joke. I'm getting in it. Slowly. I don't want to cut anything. Oh, glitter. I'm taking that bad boy off of that envelope after. That's going with my Christmas decorations. So this one says Merry Christmas, and it's Santa with a little deer. That is actually really pretty artwork. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, it's from Tammy. It's from Tammy. Why were they thinking Sour Bears? Tammy. Tammy, you're gonna make me cry. Oh, Tammy. Okay, so fabulous penmanship again. Love it. Bam. Check that out. Look at that collection. Beauties. What a lucky girl I am. So you know your real friends do know what you need. They do know that, yes, you're the one ripping up things with no stitch marker in them. Oh, Tammy, thank you so much. Look at that. Oh, maybe that's what it is, because did I get the Nova Scotia thing confused? What is up with me? Tammy, thank you so much. You guys are the best. You're the best. Straight up, 100%. That is amazing. I have the bestest friends. Thank you. Well, thank you so much, everybody, and thank you for just being part of the community, and especially thank you to all of you who have taken the time to drop me a line. And thank you so much. It means the world to me. It makes me feel like all special, and like makes me want to like dance around the house gloating. Be like, I have friends, I have friends. So thank you so much. Have a great day. See you tomorrow for, what are we going to talk about? Oh, top tips for beginners. So like, what would you tell a beginning crocheter, or if you are beginning, pop in and check out the live chat and the comments. You will learn a lot of great tips. I always do. It is not just my tips, but the tips of the community. We have amazing community members here, obviously. Happy mail. So pop in for that. Love to chat with you. Have a super great day and stay hooked.